spider catch farthest wins. The cars start at the top, race down the slope and try to go as far as possible. But watch out for the spider. I have a riddle. Who has 8 legs and will judge the spider competition? The spider? No! Dr. Octopus! Dr. Octopus doesn't have 8 legs. Oh, now I get it. An octopus has 8 legs.
Hello, let's get ready to race.
Up first is Patrick.
Go!
Well, Patrick dodged the spider, but didn't go very far. Next is Ace.
Go!
Oh no, Ace has been caught by the spider. Now it's Mickey Mouse.
Go!
Oh, so close! But Mickey Mouse has just been caught by the spider. Bo Peep to race next.
Go!
Bo Peep has taken the lead. Next is Batman.
Go!
Oh wow, now Batman has taken the lead. Will Sally Carrera go farther?
Go!
Oh no, she can't. She's been caught by the spider. Angry Bird's Red.
Go!
Red's also been caught by the spider. Next, it's Star-Lord.
Go!
Oh, it's close, but it's not as far as Batman. Which Funling now?
Go!
Oh, which Funling's only just been caught. Unlucky. Transformers Bumblebee.
Go!
Oh dear, Bumblebee has gotten stuck. At least you didn't get caught by the spider. Next, it's Buzz Lightyear.
Go!
Spider didn't fall. Oh, but it's not gone very far. Star Wars R2-D2.
Go!
Oh no! R2-D2 has gone too fast round the corner and has crashed. Aquaman now.
Go!
Caught by the spider. Next, it's Vampire Funling.
Go!
Dodged the spider. Oh, it's so close, but not quite far enough. Chef Funling to race next.
Thanks for the hat, Chef Funling. Oh, I think it's a little big. Ah, much better.
Go!
Oh wow, that's gone really far. Nice one. Lightning McQueen now.
Go!
Ah, the spider was too fast. Next, it's Spider-Man.
Go!
Just made it. Oh, it's not very good at all. PJ Masks Catboy.
Go!
Ah, caught by the spider. Can Nemo go the farthest?
Go!
Ah, it's a decent attempt, but it's not far enough. Finally, it's Queen Elsa. Can she go farther than Chef Funling?
Go!
Oh no, she can't. She flipped in the air.
So Chef Funling wins. Well done.